Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to History to find what you need. Use Ctrl+H on Windows or CMD+Y on a Mac to open the History page instantly. This saves clicks and keeps your context. If you prefer the menu, click the three-dot menu, choose History, then History again. Once done, scan the list to confirm time range and device. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so the right browsing data appears. Now focus on narrowing results. Type keywords, full URLs, or site domains in the History search bar to locate specific pages faster. You can filter by date by scanning entries or switching devices if you sync Chrome across phones and computers. This helps when many results match. Once results appear, open an item to revisit it, copy the URL for sharing, or remove single entries to clean your log. If you need multiple results, use Shift-click to select ranges. Finish by managing what you found. Select Clear Browsing Data to delete recent or all history. Choose Time Range and check browsing history before confirming. If expected entries are missing, verify Chrome Sync is enabled and you're signed into the correct Google account because history can be stored per profile or device. For ongoing privacy, use Incognito for sessions you don't want logged. If deletion or sync fails, restart Chrome and try again. That often resolves temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.